How to start gaming live on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now on PC, we have a separate tutorial for like if you're trying to game and use the TikTok Studio on PC. But if you're on your phone and you want to, stream your phone games or anything like that, then just go over to TikTok. And then what we want to do is go over and press this plus icon in the middle. Now we want to press the live icon, and then what we can do is we're going to be able to choose a lot of different things. Like we can flip, enhance, choose the exact settings or anything like that. So if I go on it, I can change my title as well, and I can go over to my settings and choose exactly what I want, like who can watch this live or anything like that as well. And then I can also set up my live recordings option, or I can go over to the live manager and I can switch to mobile gaming too. So I can go to the live studio. Once I go to mobile gaming, I can press select game, choose the exact game if I want to target a direct audience like 8 Ball Pool, and then I can press go live and I'll be good to go.